Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss stocks for tomorrow, Thursday, 29th April 2021. Okay, let's see what are the stocks I have selected for tomorrow. So the first stock is Bajaj Finserv. So this is a kind of simple swing breakout. So we'll buy this above today's high, 10,620. Next stock is Chola Fin. Cholafin we can buy above 590. Then we have SR Transfer. Let me delete this box. So this big red candle above that high we will buy. This is around 1415. Stop loss we can keep today's closing around 1404. Then we have JB Chem Pharma. We will buy this above 1360. Today actually in first 5 minutes it tried, but it was just a sudden move and it didn't sustain. So we'll buy this above 1360. Then we have Bajaj Electrical. We'll buy this above 1180. I bought this today in BTST as well. Let's see. Then we have this I'm keeping in radar Indoco. Let's see when it keeps breakout above 340. And then we have Heritage Food. So Heritage Food, it is kind of given a small breakout here. So we'll buy this above this level, today's high and this candle. So we'll buy around above 381. Then we can just keep this Can phenomenon radar above 620. Syngene is in a range. We can buy this above 620. And the last stock in this intraday is Honeywell Automation. So you can buy this above this green candle. So it is around 44,520. Then we have some cash stocks, and these are first is Posco India. So this is a trend line. So we can buy this in the four swing above 1355. So you can buy in cash. You can do intraday as well. If you want to carry, if works well, then you can carry for swing as well. And we have Easter Industry. So Easter we will buy above 138. Again, this you can take in swing as well or in cash intraday. TFL will buy above 900. RK Forge will buy above 611. This also you can buy in cash and or swing both. Then we have Moltech Packaging. So Moltech Packaging will buy above 435 and will buy in intraday cash. And SHK already has given breakout, so you can still take position above 140. What is today? Like 146. So you can buy this above 146. Then we have Surya Roshni. This you can buy only in swing. You can buy in dip and you can keep a stop loss below 400. Looks like it can give a good move. Then we have Tindia, which Tube Investment we know, and symbol is Tindia. So we'll buy this about 1270. This is a kind of flag breakout. So these are the stocks. Angel Broking, I'm still keeping in radar above 385. Moro Open Lab, I already bought this in swing. So again, let's see if it is not gap up too much, then we can buy. If gap up, then we can ignore. Philip Carbon can buy our today's high. Let's see. Because today it didn't sustain. So you can avoid also. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you.